As well joining us on the broadcast with the details. With that, let's shift our attention now to live visuals coming in. Let's cut across straight to Prayagraj. Visuals of President Draupadi Murmu, who has arrived in Prayagraj. She will be taking a holy dip at the Triveni Sangam. According to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the entire itinerary has been given out as well. President Draupadi Murmu all set to visit and take a dip in Prayagraj. As you're seeing in the visuals, the UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, as well as the governor, seen with the president. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, the president has arrived in a short while, taking the boat ride to the Triveni Sangam, where she will be taking the holy dip.
Well, definitely, the president has reached Sangam, the Triveni Sangam, and remember, this is one of those, one of the main, visits that were planned in. Already visited Sangam, so has most of the cabinet members, including Home Minister and Defence Minister. Now, President Draupadi Murmu at Prayagraj, and this is one of those days where the VIP movements have also curtailed the traffic in Prayagraj. The visuals have been coming on social media, but definitely the president in Prayagraj taking a holy dip along with the UP Chief Minister.
Absolutely, and this is a very significant moment. The president of the country taking a dip. We've already seen Prime Minister Modi visited the Mahakumbh. The Union Home Minister, the UP Chief Minister has also taken a dip in the Mahakumbh, and today the president of the country is also going to be taking the holy dip.
Well, definitely, President, the first citizen of the country taking the holy dip at Prayagraj is very, very significant. This shows that how inclusive and the way the whole Mahakumbh is about. 40 crore people have already taken dip, in the Sangam, and now the president, the first citizen herself there, showcases that how from the first citizen to anyone in the country would like to be part of a Samagam that is taking place after 144 years.
Absolutely. After 144 years, it's a very, very religiously important event, Mahakumbh, taking place with crores of devotees. 41 crore devotees have already taken a dip. Now President Murmu will also join the 41 crore devotees in the dip. We continue getting you these live visuals. And welcome back. Let's take you straight to Prayagraj. Live visuals coming in of President Draupadi Murmu, who is at the Mahakumbh, accompanied by the UP governor as well as the UP Chief Minister. And Draupadi Murmu will be heading to the Triveni Sangam, where she will be taking the holy dip. It's a very significant moment. The president of the country at the Mahakumbh. Now, she will be at the Mahakumbh Mela for about 8 hours, witnessing the grandeur and spiritual significance of one of the largest religious gatherings in the world. 41 crore devotees have already taken a dip at the Mahakumbh. Several others expected to come in over the next many days. My colleague Rishabh is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Rishabh, we're seeing the live visuals. We've also seen, of course, previously the Prime Minister, the Home Minister, the UP CM himself, several opposition leaders as well taking a dip. Today, a very significant day. The President is taking the holy dip.
Well, definitely, sir. If we talk about the Mahakumbh Pratibha, over 41 crore devotees have already taken the dip. We have seen the Prime Minister, the Defence Minister, the Home Minister, UP Chief Minister, along with the whole cabinet taking the dip at Mahakumbh today. The first citizen of the country, Draupadi Murmu, the president, is at Prayagraj taking a dip, and this showcases that how this is world's largest religious amalgamation that has taken place in Prayagraj, from the first citizen herself to almost 41 crore devotees taking the dip, and it includes who's and who. We have seen Mr. Gautam Adani taking the dip. We have seen actors, cricketers. We have seen politicians. We have seen singers and celebrities going there and taking dip, and now the president herself there, and this showcases that how big this whole Samagam of Sanatan is happening in Prayagraj.
Okay, all right. So at the Triveni Sangam, she will be taking a holy dip, after which she will be also visiting the Bade Hanuman Mandir for a visit, for a darshan. With that, we're slipping into a quick break here. We'll be right back. Stay with us.